Hello everyone. In today's session you will see how to check, or we can simply how we can verify if substring is present in string or not. Now how to check if whether specified substring is present in string or not. For example, let's say we have a my string that is having following values: welcome to Python programming world, and we want to check whether this substring one, that is world, is present in this my string or not. So let's say if that specific value, in this case let's say world, if this value is present in our my string, then our output should be substring is present. And let's say if this value, for example substring 2 world abc, now this value is not present in this string, right? So this value is not present in this string, so in that case it should return substring is not present. So we want to find whether that specified substring is present in our original string or not. So let's see programmatically. There are two approach which we will see today. So let's go to PyCharm. So I'm going to PyCharm. Let's create one new Python file. So I am creating one Python file. Let's name it as finding, or simply we will simply check whether it's present or not present. Presence of substring. So we have created one Python file. Now let's see the first approach. The first approach is by using the find method. So find method finds the first occurrence of specified value. If that value not found, or if that value is not present, then it returns -1. And on that basis we can simply write the if condition. Now I am going to define one string, let's say my string equals to welcome to Python programming. So I have mentioned my string as welcome to Python programming. Now let's specify the string which we want to check whether that is present in my string or not. So I will simply define one more string variable, that is substring. Let's say it equals to, first let's try to find out the value of Python. So if this Python value is present in that my string, then it should print that substring is present, right? So what we can do, we can use find method. So how to use find method? So I will simply use my string. So we want to check my string dot find, and in that we can mention which string need to find, that is substring. So it will return -1. Now let's check what it returns. So substring which is Python, that is present in our my string. In that case let's execute this file. We are not printing, right? So we have to print this, right? So we want to print my string dot find, and we have mentioned the substring. So what it will do, it will simply, let's execute this file and we can check. So it is returning value as 11. So what is this 11? So this is the position of the starting value of this p. If you check in this string, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 space is 7th, then 8 9, again space is 10th, and 11. So at the 11th position this Python word starts. So p is at 11th position, so it gives or it returns. So this my string dot find, it returns the value starting position. If that value is present, then it returns the position, starting position of that specific value. In that case it's written 11. Now let's say let's mention value of Python xyz. Now this Python xyz string is not present anywhere in this my string. So in that case let's see, so it is returning -1. So if the specified substring value is not found in our my string, or the string in which we want to find it out, if it is not found, then it will return -1, right? So on the basis on this logic we can simply write one if condition. For example, let's say if my string dot find substring equals to -1. If it is -1, that means that value is not found. So we can simply print substring not present, else it will return the position. That means else it can be, so if that value is present in our my string, then it will return the position of that specific value, right? So we can simply print So if it is any value other than -1, that means substring is present. So substring is present. Let's execute this program. Right, so this is substring is not present because Python XYZ is not in our myString. Now let's check for programming. So I'm just mentioning programming. So in this case, this programming value is present in our myString. So let's see what the program returns. So substring is present, right? And 18th is the position of the starting position of this word P, right? So it will return substring is present. Similarly, let's check for welcome as well. So if you simply write welcome, this is also present in our myString. Let's execute. It will again say that substring is present and it is returning the starting position, that is 0. Let's say welcome ABC. Now welcome ABC is again not present. Now again run this file. It is returning -1. So when it returns -1, that means that substring is not present. So this is the approach one. By using find method, we can do that, or we can simply check whether that specified substring is present in our original string or not. Now let's see approach 2 as well. So I am commenting this code. So let's see approach 2 is by using in operator. So what I will do, I will again, let's use the same string. So my string, this is our original string in which we want to find out whether welcome ABC is present or not. So what I can do, I can simply use if condition directly. If substring in, I am using the in operator. So in my string, then print substring is present. So what it will check? So it will simply check whether that substring value is present in my string or not. If that value is present, then it will simply print substring is present. Else, we can simply print, that means substring is not present. So it is very straightforward. Now let's execute this program. In this case, this welcome ABC is not present in our my string. Now let's execute and check. So it is returning substring is not present. Now let's say I'm again going to check Python. Now Python value is present in our my string. So in this case, it should return substring is present. Let's execute. So it is returning substring is present. So this is by using simply in operator. So we are simply checking if substring in my string. So it will check whether that substring value is present in this my string or not. If that value is matched or if that value is found, then it is printing substring is present. Else it will print substring is not present. So this is the second approach. So thank you for watching.